Vacuum cleaners are an integral part of our lives. It is hard to imagine a modern-day American life without vacuum cleaners. Because of that, we spend hundreds of dollars to get them. Vacuum cleaners are not only effective at cleaning dust and getting rid of allergens, they are also easy to use. They save time and energy. They are equipped with suction motors and filters to pull in dirt and dust. They can be categorized into handheld, canister, vertical, and rowboat vacuum cleaners. A freshly vacuumed home looks nice and feels nice, but did you know it is also good for your health? Vacuuming eliminates many harmful allergens for your home, clearing of dust, dirt, dust mites, and mold. That in turn translates directly into improvements in air quality, sleep quality, mental well-being, and even the health of your skin, hair, and eyes. Today I would like to discuss the most common vacuum problems and how to fix them. The first problem would be poor suction. One of the most fundamental vacuum problems is poor suction, obviously. If you are running your vacuum over dust or other matter and it's simply not picking it up, you are dealing with loss of suction. Your first move should be to check the bag is full. Your first move should be to check if the bag is full. A full bag will impede airflow enough to decrease suction immensely. Simply replacing the bag can restore your vacuum to full function. However, if the bag has ripped or ruptured, the bag compartment may have a buildup of dirt, dust, and debris, which could impede airflow separate from the bag. Thoroughly check the bag compartment and, if necessary, clean it up. Next, check the vacuum's filters. The filters are there to filter out fine dust and larger debris that could cause a clog, and they can very easily become clogged themselves. Even if your suction isn't totally lost, cleaning your filters can make a noticeable and immediate difference in your vacuum suction level. Another likely spot for clogs is the hose. Larger items or tangles of material like thread or hair can easily become lodged in the hose and impede airflow. That's one of the problems I pretty much always get with my vacuum cleaner. Carefully examine the length of your vacuum's hose to make sure there are no clogs. While you are at it, check for any cracks or fissures in the hose or around the seals where the hose meets the vacuum. Even a small rupture can reduce your vacuum suction. The second problem might be a burning smell. A burning smell emanates from your vacuum can be alarming, but it is rarely a sign of actual fire. Instead, it is the result of excessive friction from a damaged or broken belt. While this is easily repaired, it will need professional vacuum repair. The third problem might be your vacuum shuts off by itself. This kind of feels scary, but that happens. That happened to me on several occasions. Most vacuums have an emergency fail-safe mechanisms that shuts the vacuum off when it overheats. So in one sense, it's a good thing when your vacuum shuts itself off, as it's a sign that your safety features are working properly. That's a good thing. So what's causing the overheating? That can be a number of different problems. A serious clog will quickly generate excessive heat and could trigger an auto shut-off. It could also be related to settings. If you have your vacuum set to highest suction setting and you are using it on a very soft, thick surface, such as carpeting, that could also lead to overheating, since you are essentially creating a clog. If you have checked your vacuum for clogs and optimized its settings and it still shuts off automatically during use, it may need vacuum repairs from a professional. The fourth problem might be your vacuum won't power on. If your vacuum won't turn on, start by eliminating the most obvious possibilities first. It is plugged in? Is it plugged in? It may sound obvious, but many people overlook this basic requirement. If it's plugged in and turned on, inspect the power cord. If it's frayed or ruptured, you may need professional vacuum repair from any nearby shop whose locations nearer to your house might be the best place to go. So